So we got the first package in here. It actually came in this morning. This was a manual W, no bots involved. This shoe will be re-releasing this weekend. So here are the shoes. It comes in some special packaging from a Maminier. Very clean box, very clean shoe. People are saying this is gonna be the sneaker of the year. I'm not too sure. We're gonna have to find out right now. The Maminier Air Jordan 3. This looks very clean in hand. I have to admit, the quality looks amazing, as you guys can see here with the special packaging, the special tags. Very clean. It's a woman's shoe. This actually was a woman's 8.5, men's 7. I wish I got a bigger size, but I ended up choking. I just got the first pair. Whatever it was my mistake, but there's still profit to be made on the sneaker. I've been getting a lot of interest for this shoe. Hopefully I'll be able to sell it before the worldwide release this upcoming weekend, because prices most likely are going to be dropping. Upcoming today, I believe there's a bunch of pairs from Restocks, as well as the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0 that should be coming in, because I hit a ton of pairs this weekend. But what ended up happening, it was a very easy release in my opinion, but a few mistakes on my part led to a couple of cancellations and not the best overall performance. But we're gonna about checking these out whenever they come in. Okay guys, so we actually sold our first thing of this episode. And now we ended up selling the Air Jordan 1 Low Game Royal. I had this for a while now, so I had a ton of pairs. They've been moving very well because summer is coming up soon. This was a very good investment, no brainer for sure. So let's pack this up, and just like that, the package is ready to go. So this will be going out to the client. I think I just got a message as well from my another buyer. He said I might actually sell the Air Jordan 3, the Maminiers today. I need these gone because they're gonna restock, and I think prices are gonna fall even more. So I'm gonna get rid of it now and just keep it moving. On my way now, so this should be quick and easy. I really regret not selling the shoe earlier. I have around 20 pairs left. This is the biggest disappointment ever. Prices just keep dropping on these. I mean, I personally like them a little bit, but I understand why people aren't a fan. And I just sold it to another client as well, so finally another pair gone, slowly but surely. Okay guys, so we got today's shipment in. We got a decent amount of packages, a pretty big one as well. These should be Jordan 1 Shadows and a few Jordan 1 Mids that we're able to catch in a restock. So we're about to open this up and see how many we got. Let's go. Open up the first package. These should be the Jordan 1 Mids. Struggling here. Okay, perfect. Okay, the first one, we got 6 pairs. These are the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Purple aqua, so these are very fucking sexy, I cannot lie. Beautiful shoe. See them better in the light right here. Beautiful shoe guys. So right here we got 6 pairs. So many pairs guys, so many damn pairs. We got so many Air Jordan 1 Mids over here. We got a ton more Air Jordan 1 Mid, purple, aqua. Beautiful shoe. There we go guys, first pair. Unbox. You guys already know what this is. Woo! Okay guys. Peep it, peep it. The Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. I'm not sure how you guys like this. Personally, it's alright, but I'm going to be selling all these pairs. I don't like them enough to hold. This is too basic of a colorway, but we have a few coming in. A few of them should be also shadows. Alright guys, so this is the final count of today's shipment. Nothing too crazy. We got 18 pairs so far of the Air Jordan 1 Mid Purple Aqua. Beautiful shoe, Very nice summer shoe. I really want to hold these, but I've been holding on to way too much stuff, so I might just get rid of all of these. But once again, guys, beautiful shoe for the summer. We got 18 pairs, and then for the Air Jordan 1 Shadow, today we only got 4 in, but there should be a decent amount left coming in tomorrow or the day after that, and hopefully we'll be able to catch some restocks. So far there has only been the grade school drop for the Air Jordan 1 Shadow here in Canada, but I will be copying as many as I can. This is some easy money, but men's isn't looking too good right now, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be copping all that. So yeah, and yeah guys, this is today's shipment. It's just a little bit light. There's still a lot more to come. This is just the first episode of a few of my shipments, the day in the life of a sneaker reseller. We're gonna be doing a lot more. The next episode should be a live cop with a bunch more shipments that come in, and more shadows, more mids. You already know I love mids. That's my specialty. I also want to give a huge shout out to SexyNotify. Without them, my group, I wouldn't be able to have this much success. Early exclusive information on Foot Locker, Champs, East Bay, all of the foot sites. We get early product, early info, stock numbers, always the most accurate, and it's always good to have that advantage. And that's how I was able to cop all these Air Jordan 1 mids, shock drops, and everything like that. So we're always going to be alerted, because I want you guys to cook too, guys. And stores will be opening soon, so you guys will see me do the first come first serve. You already know man's always dominating the first come first serve drops. Please leave a comment down below with any questions. Smash that like button. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.